Grading a partner chat. Partner chats are activities that are instructor graded. Once you have assigned them and you have submissions, your dashboard will tell you that you have an assignment that needs to be graded. Clicking on this link will take you to the submission that your students have completed. Once you are here, you have a couple of options on how to grade this activity. If the activity was assigned as a credit activity or you intend to grade this for completion, you can review the activity by clicking play, listening to your students, and then assigning them the points that you deem are correct for this activity. If you would like to grade this activity for an actual grade and give students feedback, you need to make sure that this comment boxes is checked. This provides you a box where you can write comments and the option to record a comment. You can also do both if you would like. As you listen to your students complete the activity, you can write the comments that you feel are necessary. You can type them, or you can record them. Don't forget that adjectives must match gender and number. Once you've recorded a comment, you can review it to make sure it is to your liking. And again, you can type your comments to your students. Right now, the students' names is not checked. If I click this box, the students' names appear. This is an option to grade your students anonymously or with their names visible. An important thing to note is that when the students come in and review your comments and the grade they have been assigned, they can only see their comments and their grade. They do not have access to the grade or comments that their partner received. When you are done providing comments to your students, you simply click Next and the assignment has been graded. If you forget what the activity was originally, clicking on View Activity takes you to the instructions of that activity.